have all this money and I don't know what to do with it.
Why don't we go ask Megan?
Hey Megan, can you help us out? With what? Investment. You're pretty good at that. Come on.
Savings accounts are accounts where you take a percentage of your paycheck and you just put it away in an account. Do not touch it. The point of that is by the time you're retired, you have plenty of money where you're safe and you don't have to live on your Social Security because that's not an income. It is a time when you're not making money, so you have to plan for it. You can compound a different number of times, but it depends on the bank. Like you can compound daily or monthly. Either way, that doesn't make much of a difference. What matters the most is the interest rate. Try to get as much as a high interest rate as you can.
Bonds are when you lend with interest and you reverse with interest. They last about 1 to 30 years and they are also low risk. There are different types of bonds. There are corporate bonds, which are for companies. There are also municipal bonds, which are for local and state government. And the final one is treasury bonds, which are for the federal government.
Stocks are shares of ownership in a company, so the more shares that you have, the more power that you have. Stocks are also the highest risk investment because you don't know what's going to happen with the company, and every day is unstable because sometimes the company will appreciate, but sometimes it won't appreciate, but other times the company can go down.
You know what's up? Mutual fund is what's up. Mutual fund basically is when two or more people put their, moolah or what's it called, money together, and then they get a manager to put their money in the stocks and bonds. That's simple.